Hi, boy. Hi, boy. What you doing? What you doing? Hi. Haven't seen you in a while. Oh, let me figure out this positioning. I thought I'm gonna show you what I was doing on my free day here in Canada, and my first location was to go to the gym, but something happened. And I think so far this is the worst thunderstorm of 2020 for sure, and the end of 2019. I'm gonna show you what happened in just a second. But yeah, I will bring you along with what I did today. My plan was to go to the gym, finish filming one talking head video, and then I had to do my French assignment and cook some yummy meals for dinner. Yes, this is actually my free day. I know this is a lot, but managing having the full-time work and the blog and the French class that I'm taking is like the whole new level of multitasking. But I have to say, it might seem like a lot, but I'm enjoying it and I'm trying to take it at my own pace. So yeah, that's the plan for today. And before we continue, let me show you what has happened outside. Like, no joke, this is Canada, baby. It is terrifying. It's still going on. All the authorities recommend to stay inside and not go anywhere because it is quite dangerous. I thought I'll drive to the gym, but honestly I don't think I can drive out of the driveway. There is so much snow. Let me show you. Come with me. So this is the view. It's still snowing, and this is the car. You can see how much snow is there. It's like to the middle level of the car. This is gonna be really fun for the little boy to play with, meaning my little dog, but this is crazy. Seriously, there's so much snow. So this means that I won't be able to get out until we shower and clean up the snow, but it's still snowing like crazy, so I think for the safety reasons it would be better to stay at home, and we'll see. Maybe if the weather gets better, I'll get out to the gym later tonight. I was actually there yesterday, so it's not so bad if I'm missing today, but I was looking forward to a long and refreshing run. Yes, the dog is over there wondering who am I talking to. Sherlock, come here. Come here, boy. Come here. Nope. If he doesn't want to do something, he's not gonna do it. Come here. There we go. You're not even supposed to be on the bed. Oh, you potato. Come here. Come closer. Come here. Oh, this is very like hard. Come here. Oh my god, that you are lazy. That's the life. Yeah, so let me go get the breakfast and I'll show you a little bit behind the scenes of what I'm filming and things like that. So let's go. Okay, so you can't really see it, but it's still snowing. And of course, a dog, we need to feed the dog. What? You happy? Yeah? Oh, yes. I think the dog is interested in testing the snow. I am so curious to see what's gonna happen. Okay, go. Oh my god. This is interesting. Oh, look who's back. You have a lot of snow. Did you enjoy it? Oh my god. Sit. Sit, 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 sit by the door. Sit. Oh, good boy. Oh my god, how much snow is there? You are a good boy, but stay. We need to clean you, huh? Jeez, there's tons of snow. Okay, let's clean this guy. If you're in Canada, you know this brand. It's called Camellia Sinensis, and the tea is Marie Antoinette. It is so good. I love this tea in the morning. It's super tasty, so definitely recommend if you ever come across Camellia Sinensis. Earl Grey Marie Antoinette is super nice tea. Breakfast is ready. This is just some bagel we got in Montreal, and one of Jewish stores. It's so good. Spinach, cream cheese under, some tomatoes, and some sunflower seeds. And my tea. And of course, the main guest, the dog. Yeah, you want some too, my boy? Alright, so I finished my breakfast and I already scripted the video that I want to record today, but I also have a blog where I write, and this one is more personal, not in the sense that I share a lot of personal information, but I don't really share this blog publicly anywhere. So I don't share it to social media. It's there, some people know about it, and mostly I wanted to have it because I was reading a lot of books and I thought that I really don't remember what I read in there like 2-3 months after. So I wanted to better remember those concepts because I thought that they were super useful. So I decided to write and review every book that I read on my blog. Let me show you. So this is my blog, and it has, you can see this is the book titles that I recently read, but also I write about different trips. So if I travel somewhere, for example, I like to document what we did, what happened. The pictures there are really authentic and not like a staged sort of Instagram polished ones. This is mostly just for fun, just for memories, to have those memories. And I have recently been in Panama for the work trip. I have a vlog from there, by the way, if you want to watch it. And I haven't really written about it, and it's been 2 weeks, and I feel like I'm already forgetting things and starting to lose track of what we did, what happened. So I am going to write right now quickly a blog post about our Panama trip, and then I'm going to prepare for the video to record it. One hour later, the post is finally up. I can go prepare to film the video. Yay! I am back and I am ready to record the video if the dog doesn't eat all of my makeup. Yeah? Yeah. We are ready to record the video? High five! High five! Yes! I will show you behind the scenes of how it works. So let's do it. Let's go. Okay, so normally I use a big camera to record. I'm gonna show it to you in a second, but it only allows to have 20-minute recording at the same time, which is hard because sometimes I have to redo a part if I lose my thought or anything. It takes longer, and it also doesn't have a flippable screen, so I don't see myself. And as my partner is working today, I'm actually going to record with the small camera that I'm vlogging on right now. So let me show you my usual big camera. It's pretty nice, it records very well, but no flippable screen, as you see. It's just a fixed screen, so super hard to see yourself. Although I like the quality, it's harder to work with it, and if you don't have a help, it gets tricky. So what we're gonna do now is to actually take the mic, just plugged here, so all those wires, because we need to plug this mic into the laptop to make a good sound for this small camera. Anyway, this is a very complicated setup. So what we will do, we'll take the mic from the big camera and we'll plug it into the laptop. And that way the sound from the small camera will be really good. Otherwise, if I just record with a small camera, what we found out is that it doesn't have that good of a sound, so you either need to use a special software to correct it, or you just don't correct it and it kind of sounds crappy. So I'm going to take my mic now, find my laptop and go set everything up. This is a stand of plants over there and my chair that I use usually for recording. So what I need to do right now is to actually flip this thing, move it there, and then move the chair to the window and use the tripod there. So let's do it. Here I'm gonna tell you a little secret I don't usually tell anyone knows. I record all my videos in a sweatpants. Yes, it is so comfy and nobody really has to know because they see the top, but makes you comfortable 100% more confident, and you're just like, yeah, this is good. So that's my secret. Okay, so we have a shooting update. I am done shooting the video. It was not very easy today. I'm pretty tired from the work week that I had, and it took a lot of time to put my mind together. I sometimes have ideas that I want to share, but it takes a lot of time to put them in the proper form. And sometimes if I don't have the script and just notes, it is much harder because you're trying to sort of form your thoughts on the go, and it doesn't always work so well, especially if English is not your first language. I am done with the video, but the storm is far from being done. Let me show you what's happening. So this is in fact my window, which got like covered in snow on the sides. I am terrified to see what's happening. Yeah, that's from this morning. I am terrified to see what's happening. Actually, let's go maybe outside and check it out and see what's happening. So let's take the dog out. Let me show you a fun trick with this dog. Sherlock, do you want to go walk? Do you want to go walk? Would you like to go walk outside and play in the snow? But he was gonna knock the tripod. Come here. Come here. Come here, give me a kiss. He's very excited to go outside. I am gonna get dressed, put on 10 layers of clothes and try to go out. Yes, I know that you want to go. Come here. Come here, sweetie. Sit, 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 sit. Nope. I cannot describe how windy it is. It is. Go find my dog and play with him in the snow a bit, but the Armageddon is here, and they say happening for at least another 10 p.m. So this is getting very, very interesting. They just cleaned the roads finally, but I don't think we're gonna go anywhere today because it's super dangerous. As you see, I have to go in my skiing pants because it's like more than knee deep here. And this is me going there to the dog in the field. Sherlock, sit. Roll over. Roll over. Yes. Roll over. Roll over. Yes. Good boy. Alright, so we just came back from a walk outside. Well, actually more like playing with the dog outside. Now I still have on my list finishing my French assignments, with which I have been really behind. So I'm gonna do that right now. But before that, I need some motivation. So I'm gonna make a hot chocolate. Yeah, so this is my setup for the next few hours. My laptop, hot chocolate, watch, my snack, and my French notebook and 5-minute journal. And the dog is there too. Hi, sweetie. Sherlock. I'm starting finally my French class, and I have to say my motivation is very close to zero right now. I'm usually more on the self-driven side, but last few weeks have been super busy, and my motivation to sit into class is like, ugh, I really don't want to do it, but I have you, and I told you that I will do it, and you hold me accountable. So let's do it. I'm already logged into the system, and that's how it looks like. And I am very close to the end. Out of all this stuff, I have just a small bit left. I will check back with you when I'm done and my assignment is completed. I can do it. I can do it. This is how I'm getting distracted from studying French and how it shows my motivation, but these are so beautiful. Just love how it opens up in this beautiful flower, and I would like to remember them. Okay, attempt number 2 to get out. We are going to have dinner, eat ramen for dinner, and Also, my parents gave me a Christmas gift, which was just a little gift card for whatever I want to spend the money on. And every week I haven't really touched them, to be honest, yet, just because I fell down. Ignore it, it's my clumsiness. But I haven't been to the stores yet and haven't looked at anything. And they keep on asking every week, oh, so what did you buy? What did you buy? And my dad is like very curious about what I got. So I'm actually gonna go today and buy leggings for running, because I have just one pair, and when I was running with the dog I fell down and sort of like tore a hole on my knees. So that would be a really, I don't really need anything, but that would be a really handy purchase and a really good way to spend the money. And I know I love running, and I think they'll be happy with the way I invested. So let's get going. We have to get out with the car. It's not shovel, the snow is covering everything. Super cold, still a snowstorm, but we're gonna try to do it. My neighbor just offered to shovel, but I think we're just gonna try to power through in the SUV and hope it makes it through and doesn't get stuck. We'll see. Let's get going. Okay, the idea to power through didn't work. We got stuck. We're gonna try to unstuck right now. Oh my god. We are on our way, thanks to the neighbor who helped to push the car, and he offered help shoveling, so he's still shoveling our backyard. That's kind of weird, but thanks to the guy, we're out. Yay! Let's go, let's go. So I have candidate number 1. It's a dark blue Nikes. I like them, but I'm not sure about this and how is it gonna work when you're running. So when you're running, you need to be super comfortable, so I don't know. Not sure. We'll try another one. So we have contestant number 2, which is the black Nike leggings, and I have to say they have a pocket on in the back, which is nice. They feel like nothing else. This fabric is just phenomenal. I don't know, I've never tried something like that, and this is just a shirt that I'm trying. Not necessarily to go with this, it's just a testing. I think this is the winner so far. Let me know what you think. Hey, 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 we made it. We made it home. I bought the second contestant, so the black running leggings, and that's it for today. I wake up tomorrow morning very early to work. It was fun bringing you along today. Thank you for staying with me up until this moment, and until next vlog, bye.